Hello guys, Shubham here. So today we are going to see that how you can easily install or update your existing pitch black recovery project on your Poco F1, which is basically helps to permanently decrypt or helps to disable force encryption of your device. Now for this, at the very first time, we need this zip file which I have downloaded right now and kept in my device itself. So as you can see, this is the file which is called as pitch black beryllium recovery version 2.9.1. You can get this file easily on the pitch black recovery website. By moving towards the site, you have to click on your device and you just have to download the zip file, which is the latest one available on the pitch black recovery website, and store it in your internal storage. Now moving further, once you download the file, please boot your phone into the recovery itself. The required recovery for this is the TWRP recovery, but as you can see that I am on the pitch black recovery, as I have been using pitch black recovery a long time ago, and here I am showing how to update this recovery, but it also applies if you want to install this recovery on TWRP itself. So for this, at the very first time, you have to move to the folder where you have kept your file of the pitch black recovery. By clicking on the file, you just have to swipe to confirm flash. Yes, you have to install this file just like any type of normal zip file of the ROM or kernel. After installation gets finished, we have to go back and reboot to the recovery. Make sure that you don't reboot to system, you have to reboot to recovery. So as you can see, this is the boot animation of the pitch black recovery. Just swipe to confirm and you can see this is the all new interface of the new pitch black recovery. Let me adjust the brightness. So as you can see, this is the overall interface of the new pitch black recovery, which comes with many other features which pitch black recovery has before, like mounting of options of restoring your backup, other options such as settings, another advanced option like file manager. You will also get terminal in this recovery if you want to execute any commands, ADB side load if you want to side load anything, and many more options such as reload themes and file contents. So now they have moved the advanced option to the extreme right corner, and as you can see, these are the tool option where you can use super SU, unroot super SU. If you want to root or unroot Magisk, you can also do this in this recovery easily without downloading any external file of the Magisk, enabling camera to API and many more options. You can also remove the pin pass of your device using this. This is the about section where you can get the about of this recovery. Further is the themes option when you can get various types of themes and you can customize the type of appearance you want as per your choice. So as you can see, right now I have changed my appearance and it takes some time to change, and yes, as you can see, the appearance has been changed now. Moving further, you can also change various types of colors such as background color, font color and much more. Now I am changing the theme color here. So as you can see, that color got changed, and after that, moving further, let's see. Here we can also change the font. It takes time to changes to appear on this. So these all new options are included in the customization settings of the pitch black recovery project. I have been using this recovery since long time, and this recovery is just super dope in case you have to get out of your phone without getting encrypted. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such content upcoming. Until then, keep watching and peace out. See you in the next one.